Hello everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk and I'm here today to share with you my November Stampin' Selections kit. Now, if you look at your annual catalogue on pages 38 and 39, this is where the kit is focused on the delightfully detailed suite, but I have added some extra things in as well, just to make it that bit more versatile and even more budget friendly. Now, the stamp that coordinates with the kit is the Detailed with Love, and you can also get a punch, and it does come as a bundle, beg your pardon, with a 10% saving. Now, I am doing from this month in, I'm going to start and advertise two price structures to my Stampin' Selections, and the first one being the Premier. So the Premier means that you are opting to add in the stamp and the punch bundle, and if you do that, I can order these on a workshop order with your name listed as a customer, but have it delivered to me, which means I can then add that to your Stampin' Selections kit. Now that saves you postage. It saves you the £4.95 Stampin' Up postage, because your postage for the rest of your kit is included in the price. So I can just add this to the box. In addition, if you do go for the Premier bundle, in addition to saving that postage amount, you're also going to get a free gift, which varies every month. And this month it is a pack of Baker's Twine, which coordinates beautifully with the rest of the products. You are going to get a lovely handmade thank you card as always, and everything is packed beautifully with lots of attention to detail. And I do decorate my kits. I decorate the packaging to give you ideas of what to do with it. On top of that, I also do provide inspiration for your kit, and from this month on there will always be an online PDF class sheet to go with it. And so you might want to consider the premium bundle, because I will be using this stamp set and this punch throughout those samples. Now, if you go for the standard option, which is the product-based kit, you're going to get 12 different products, all beautiful, all well planned, all coordinating. So first thing we're going to get is some of this beautiful laser cut speciality paper. It's beyond explanation. It's so beautiful. Now, I'm not going to cut it up. Okay, you're going to get it in the full 12 by 12 size, and you're going to get one of each. So you're going to get one of that one and one of this one as well. And it does come layered between tissue because it's so beautiful. We don't want any of it getting creased. So this will be in the full format. You know, I'm not cutting it up. It's not gonna get spoiled. You get in the full sheets. Now, because that is the paper that comes with the suite, and there isn't a normal standard DSP, I chose to give you Nature's Poem. So you're going to get half a pack of this. I think the colours go nicely. We've got the mint macaron, we've got the blackberry bliss, and I think the colours do go together beautifully with the rest of the products. So you're going to get half a pack of that. You're going to get some of the delightfully detailed Memories and More cards. These are awesome. I've recently done a video making cards with these. You get sticker sheets, you get large ones, you get small ones. So you're going to get a share of those. They're stunning. You're also going to get a share of the faceted dots, which are the colours all do match with the suite. You're going to get some of the pearlised doilies. We're going to be using these in the PDF class. You're going to get some Blackberry Bliss cardstock, Grapefruit Grove. We've got Polka Dot Tulle. We've got more ribbons. We've got the velvet ribbon. So you've got loads and loads and loads of product there. Now, I've designed this kit to maximise your card making. So I am adding in this kit 3 different kinds of cards and envelopes that are pre-made. So these are pre-cut, pre-scored, and you have the matching envelopes. Okay, so you're going to get some of these. These are the 3 by 3 little mini ones, and we're going to be making a cute little project with these on the PDF. We've got these, which are the cards that go specifically with the Memories and More card pack. They're just the right size, and if you look, they've got like a watercolour wash on them. They're stunning. So all you've got to do is fold them add your decorative items, and you get the envelopes as well, okay? And then I've also added these, which I just think are lovely, and these are also pre-cut, pre-scored, so all you've got to do is fold them in half, and these are foil edged, gold foil edged, and then you've got the matching envelopes as well. So as I say, the emphasis here is on your card making, so I've given you lots and lots and lots of supplies for your card making. Memories and more. We've got the beautiful Nature's Poem DSP, the stunning laser cut speciality papers as well. So all of the details plus the exactly what is in my Premier bundle and my standard bundle, everything will be over on my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Now you order these via email, and then I will send you a PayPal invoice for you to pay. Okay, I do have a business PayPal account, so it will come up with my business name. Or if you don't have PayPal, you can contact me for my bank details, and you can pay me through bank transfer. Now these are available to order right away, and I have a cut-off line at around the 14th of the month. That's just so that I can get everything ordered in a timely manner and get these kits out to you, and I do aim to have them posted by the 3rd week of every month, okay? And then once they've been posted, I will then email you your PDF online class that is sent by email now. I do have a private Facebook group that you can be a member of as well, where I will add further inspiration and where you can chat to me and ask me any questions. So there you go. As I say, postage is included. You're getting an awesome deal. You're getting lots and lots of product. It's a very, very budget-friendly way to purchase your Stampin' Up! Products and to get great versatility. Plus, I'm going to show you what to do with it. What more could you want? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.